Bodega Boys.
We are coming to you once again with an emergency breaking news conference. President Trump has again he's trying to explain his comments about the military earlier in the day. It was an unfounded source said that he called them suckers and losers. Reporting to you from black.com, it's Dexman St. Mon. And we're just going to open up the floor and ask the president some questions. Mr. President, do you refute the question? Do you refute the charges that you called the military suckers and losers?
Well, actually, no. What I said was this. And this happens all the time with the fake news. You guys are fake news. You're fake news. The only real news is OAN. Shout out to OAN, my guys. Gang.
Gang.
You're twisting my words. That's not what I said at all. All I said is you knew what it was when you signed up. That's all I said. You wanted the Camaro so bad. You went out there. You went into Normandy and you got smoked. That's it. You're a bozo. I mean, listen. Everybody. What?
Mr. President.
Yes.
Is it true that you called John McCain a fucking loser?
I mean, he's kind of a herb. If you think about it, if you're playing a game of tag and you get tagged and you're in, you lose. You're a loser. So technically, he's a loser. Also, he couldn't lift his arms up. And his wife, his daughter's kind of built like a fullback, but then we'll stay away from that. She's the devil.
Mr. President.
Yes.
Do you feel that Herman Cain is a loser for dying?
I mean, listen. Anybody, if you think about it like this. He lost his battle with coronavirus, right? The word lost is in there. Therefore, he's a what? A loser. Thank you. I mean, I'm a stable genius. Why? This basic stuff, guys.
Mr. President, one last question. What do you say to any military voters out there that are still thinking about voting for you?
I mean,
you call them suckers and losers.
Yeah, I mean, you guys are second. I mean, you're bozos. I mean, you signed up for $20,000 to get clapped in a foreign land. You're a bozo. What do you want? I mean, what do you want me to say? Are you still gonna vote for me though? Because I said Mexicans are rapists, and you like that. So Trump 2020, motherfucker. Shout out to the Italian lady from Morris Park. I got some gabagool for you, if you know what I mean. I'm out. Peace. Fuck you. Suck my dick from the back. This is episode 217 of the Bodega Boys podcast. I'm not even doing press conferences anymore. I'm just doing intros. Blow me. Peace out. Vote for Kanye. Hey, do the motherfucking drop. I'm out of here. Throw some tear gas.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Episode 217.
Yeah, that's right.
The most coronavirus tested podcast in the nation, Bodega Boys, brought to you in part by Cash App and Spank Bank, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Shit.
We are the most tested individuals on the face of this earth. We get tested I got a Q-tip in my sinus probably every week.
Yeah, what do you want to do? Sometimes you want to get a Q-tip in places that you can't really get out.
Yo, imagine that was a coronavirus test. Niggas had to stick the wild fucking the ill 10-foot-long Q-tip in your urethra. Straight dry, that is
around. That is the STD test, and it's just he's why is that thing so long? That's what my father used to clean cassette cleaners. What are you doing?
Why?
Get that thing away.
Is that a windshield wiper from a Buick? Why?
What is that?
Penis.
That's a Cabbage Patch Kids Q-tip. What are you doing?
No.
Yo, as always, sponsored by Cash App, and got some business to take care of in the beginning, of course. You know the vibes. Yeah. As always, we're on hiatus, but we're coming back soon. Number one show at late night Showtimes. Desus and Mero on Showtime on Sunday nights and Thursday nights.
That's right.
Or as we call them, Sucio Sundays and Thursdays. She also, shout out to, what else we got? We got Oddfellows. Shout out to the homies. We dropped the ice cream. Shout out to all of y'all that got the bundles, the capsule.
Yeah, you got your bundles. You know what I mean?
Got your bundles, not your
There's
Brazilian bundles.
There. You know what I'm saying? The Malaysian shit. And also there's the sorbet in there for your we do lattes. And shout out to everybody doing unboxing videos.
There you go. There you go. It feels very reminiscent of Ivy Park. I like that. We are so moved by that. I think we're gonna start doing Ivy Park drops for anything new we drop. So if you are a popping influencer, get in good with us. You know what I'm saying? If you want that care package,
slide in the DM right now.
If you want to have that package for the next drop, because think about it.
You have a seating list.
You know what I'm saying? We just dropped ice cream. That ain't even our peak. Listen. We got
lactose intolerant niggas drop ice cream. It should sell out in minutes.
All right, listen. As the British people say, we got more in the hopper, mate. Okay?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Getting good there. Also, what else we got? You know what I'm saying? You can still send the wild nudes to our private phone number.
Yeah, that's right.
9175. Actually, no nudes. No, but you can text us. Been in there responding to people. 917-540-897. What?
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
It's the Mero community number.
Community.
If you signed up for it, you knew about the ice cream before that. And, say, maybe you want to use it and sign up. Because who knows? Maybe we drop something that has a link and you want access to the link before everyone else gets it. Nick, wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Yeah.
If you know what I'm saying.
Sign up. It's like the sneakers app, but you don't take L's.
That's right.
Think about that.
Which is ironic because all you do on a sneaker app is take L's.
Take L's, bro.
It's sad. But in other news of the Bodega Boys predicting something, someone we mentioned in the old podcast was in the news for threatening two strangers with a hatchet. No one other than Saleh.
Yo, what is it?
Back in the news.
Yes, he is. And he's clearly been studying Chingology with Chingy. Because he's off the shiznits.
Your man with the whip, with the nay-nay.
Yeah, he nay-nayed himself into another realm, dog. Because he is just saying all types of wild shit.
He tried to attack two people with a hatchet while looking for his girl.
Yo.
We've all been there.
But the fucked up shit is that I don't want to dig any deeper into that because when I saw that and I was like, yo, what the fuck? Somebody was like, yo, fam, you don't even want to know what the worst part about this shit is. And I was like, the worst part about this is not that he ran down on somebody with a hatchet. There's a worse part than that. I stopped. I was like, for my own mental health, I was like, I need to stop. I was like, no.
Oh, he didn't tell you what the worst part was?
No. So now it's like, I don't even know. Like he could have fucked a mule or some shit. I don't know. Like fucked some livestock or did some wild extra shit. Like who knows?
I mean, he's silent toe. He probably just whipped a nay-nay somewhere. You know him. Silent toe! That's gonna be terrible because the corrections officer is gonna be like, Saleh, because your lawyer's here. Like, say my regular name.
You could just say it's not even Silent Toe. That's my
Saleh.
Oh wow!
Now watch me whip. You the commissary. It's like
wow. My name's Rodney, dog.
Saleh.
No, it's
Pull your butt cheeks apart.
It's
time
Rodney.
Time for a cavity check.
Rodney.
Woo.
It's not me.
Also, shout out to everybody that came through to the VBT. All right,
Virtual book tour. And
did three great shows last weekend. You know what I'm saying? Bangers. Shout out to everyone that came through. Was nice and smizzy. Was nice and drunk. Almost died for taking shots every time the Prowler mag light went off. You know the fucking vibes.
Yo, you guys are trying to murder me.
Like what's going on? Gotta keep drinking.
I had to stop halfway through. I was like, yo, I can't do it. I can't. I'm too washed. I can't hang.
Listen,
I had to start drinking fucking lemonade halfway through.
We tell you, do not pregame. Do not pregame because listen, you might not be able to make it.
Yo,
it's
listen.
all right if you don't got meet and greet tickets. That's one thing. If you got meet and greet tickets, you're not gonna make it because then you're gonna be all sloshed at the meet and greet.
Yo, how do I unmute myself? How do I unmute? Yo, shout out to everybody that came through the meet and greets and had mad technical difficulties, but we love y'all, yo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And shout out to everybody that came through Wild Smizzy and wanted to talk and give elevator pitches for like 20 minutes. We love you guys.
Listen.
Love you guys.
Listen, it's automated. We can't extend the time for you. But yeah, shout out to everyone that had technical difficulty. We always circled back. If you have technical difficulty, we're not going to just leave you out there.
Yeah, shout out to everybody that came back. You know what I'm saying? And got free access if you for the meet and greet. If you fucked up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Shout out to I don't know your name. I'm sorry. I'm blanking on your name, but you got what you paid for. We will not rob you.
I'm trying. What this? Oh, Ariana song. This is what you pay for.
Yeah.
What you came for?
Yeah, I seen the wheels turning. I seen it. Yeah, y'all not in here. Y'all not in here, so you didn't see it, but I seen the wheels turning, and I knew it was gonna end with some grande. Oh
shit. All right. Oh man. Shout out to the Mets. They beat the Yankees in one game, so this is equivalent to them winning the World Series. Shout out to all the Mets fans that were in my mentions.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah.
Asking me how I felt about the Yankees losing, and I had nothing to say because it's a regular season game. I mean, have some self-respect. Like,
if there was like a DS or a CS involved, we might care, but there is not.
Yankees are kind of imploding. You know what I'm saying?
But it doesn't matter because, listen, as a Yankee fan, you could take solace in two things. The Mets will always be worse. That's number one. And number two, the Red Sox are currently at the bottom of the barrel in the AL East. Like the bottom, like the last place. So I'm satisfied with that.
Yeah, but I mean, this is supposed. We were talking cash shit about this was going to be the 28th ring. Like they came in hot.
Yeah.
What's going on?
You know.
And now it's going to be in that weird thing where it's just like, do you not count this year if we don't win? You give it to
bro.
You can't do that.
Fam, if it's fucking like the Rays versus like the fucking, I don't even know, random NL team, like, fam, nobody's gonna give a shit. Like, really? You're gonna stay? Are you gonna stay up late to watch a Tampa Bay Rays game?
I'm not gonna watch it, but I mean, it still counts as a championship. I mean, because listen, LeBron and them, the NBA bubble, the NBA game's been good. They've been really good, so it's legitimate. It's legitimate.
Yo, and literally, as we record this, Giannis Antetokounmpo has been sent packing back home to Milwaukee, which means that your man is gonna because NBA is getting if you take an L in the playoffs, you go home, you're out the bubble. So now, to add insult to injury, my man is gonna. Not only did he get banged on by the Miami Heat, he's got to get his MVP via Zoom, dog. Like he don't even get a picture with the Tim Duncan swagged out sandal picture. He don't even get that.
Listen, well, I mean, come to the Knicks.
Yeah, I was about to say, Knicks fans, don't get your hopes up. Don't get that free agent boner. It's not happening. I'm telling you right now, it is not going to happen.
Listen, we keep Mitchell Barrett. Listen. I might know some things. I might throw. Listen, maybe the Knicks get Giannis and Donovan Mitchell. Yeah, 2021.
Yo, listen. Yo, Spider-Man, you're holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? We on the duty flow. Let's, is it considered tapering if you tell somebody in a Call of Duty match, yo, come to the Knicks, my G? Is that tapering?
Listen, like Donald Trump says, what the hell do you have to lose? Huh? What the hell do you have to lose?
Yo, Victor Oladipo, you out here? You free agent? You know what I'm saying? I think. You know what I'm saying? What's good, my guy? Devin Booker.
I mean, it's all well and good. We could sell the Knicks, but they got to survive that initial meeting with the head of the team, and that's where everything goes left. Okay, so. But, you know what?
Listen.
I don't know. Try it. Maybe.
But you know what?
Think about it like this.
The first Friday.
If you do that and you actually accomplish something with the Knicks, and then when you retire, you got to tell a little novel. So you get some money right there, boy. Don't sign an NDA.
Yo, that part. You could have success. You could be the king of New York on some Christopher Walken shit. And then you get to spill all the Dolan tea in your memoir. You know what I'm saying? Boom, you can't lose.
Dolan got the wild NDAs. If he didn't, people would have something to say about him already. And nobody ever, because dirt, no one has pictures of James Dolan, in lingerie. Not that there's anything wrong with that. We're allowed to be sucio. But,
Listen, Marv Albert bounced back from that, real fast.
Someone on Twitter was, tweeting about it last night, and someone was like, that never happened. So, yeah, he's fine.
Yeah.
He's fine.
Literally, people were like, no, that didn't happen. That was the Kung Fu guy. He killed himself, right?
No, that was Marv Albert. He was out here. Marv Albert was out here biting people.
Biting shorties like, yang, yang.
Okay? Sexual assault.
Yo, he's out here biting sex workers while wearing a teddy.
Correction, he's wearing white panties and a garter belt.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. Sorry to Ricky's and Fredericks of Hollywood.
Shout out to Ricky's. I don't think they're not surviving. They're not surviving coronavirus. Those stores are closing out left and right. Damn.
Yeah, it sucks, bro. All those stores like that. Yo, it's wild. Those stores I used to see all the time. Yo, this is never going away. Ricky's is a staple. Yo, Transit. Yo, Atrium. Nigga, all that shit is gone.
Oh, them shits is. Those were the days.
Going to Tower Records, high as shit. Those were the days.
That was a big vibe back then.
You know what I'm saying?
Huge vibe.
You can't do that no more. Sorry.
Yeah, Trump really out here calling the military suckers. Taking out you suckers and you don't know how I did it. Like, yo.
Yo. You should have thrown in one of those. A baby bubba. A baby bubba.
I say 1 for the money, 2 for the time. It's like,
yeah,
1 for the money, 2 for the
prize.
losers. Look at the military. They all a bunch of losers. I say what? Like,
I say what? I thought I need to Trump in the house, y'all. I say what? Cut it up,
That's
y'all.
so wild that because like the military was banging with Trump heavy. They was flying.
Hard,
they had that picture on Twitter of someone. It wasn't a tank. It was like an armored vehicle, and it was flying the Trump flag.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fam, it's why it be your own people. Yo, Trump don't care. Trump don't care. He's the drunk nigga in the club, bro, that's trying to holler at every shorty. And when they're like, yo, get away from me, he's like, you're ugly anyway, you're a dab, fuck you. And he just goes down the bar, just burning every bridge. Dog. Like,
I take it a step further. He's that guy, but he's sober, which makes it 10 times worse. He came in the bar like that. Like, it's 3:30. He's already giving drunk nigga vibes. But I mean, if anything, this might like help him with his supporters because a big thing they say is they like how he talks. He's a straight shooter. Yeah. He says it.
He says it like it is.
Yeah. I don't care that he's made fun of my great grandfather getting his skull blown off at Normandy. Like, who cares?
Yeah. I just buried my son, but yeah, fuck him. I love a MAGA hat. Damn, it's really that. Y'all love MAGA hats more than your family members.
Yo,
wow. The hat ain't that fly.
Yo, it's not. It's actually kind of trash.
Not even kinda.
It's very trash.
It's high key trash.
Yeah, like I'm not even talking about like what it represents. I'm talking about like material, like quality,
and just the design alone.
Yeah, it's trash.
If you had to, you had to make a choice between you could never rock another Yankee fitted, or one of your kids dies. What's the verdict?
Oh man, shit. Do the Yankee fitteds with like the tiny logo count? Like any Yankee fitted? Even like the dumb ones that they sell at Jimmy Jazz, they got like ear flaps and shit, and like a hookah hose attached to it, and like
I'm checking with the judges. Like, we want to make sure this is a fair discussion for you. It's any Yankee fitted. It could be a green Yankee fitted, a pink, one with glitter, maybe some of those early 2000s ones that had the Chinese writing instead of
oh man,
right. You can't rock with any Yankee fitted, and you have to give up one of you get to choose which kid. You don't even have to say it. But you go one of your kids to rock a Yankee fitted. Yes or no, Mero? We're running out of time. What's your?
I gotta say no. Heather's still awake.
Are you saying no because Heather's still awake, or?
Nah. I need ROI. Listen, everybody's talking about the Tesla Apple stock split like they know what the fuck they talking about on Twitter. Mm-hmm. Everybody on Twitter is like fucking Josh Brown. You know what I'm saying now? So they're all financial experts. But yeah, hell no. I need a good ROI, dog. I need all four of these motherfuckers to grow up.
So what if they're successful?
I'm gonna pivot to like
now you asked them event. You asked them event, and now what you wearing, a Mets hat?
Nah, I'll pivot to like Knicks or some shit. Like I got, you know what I'm saying? Knicks, Giants. You know what I'm saying? Like Rangers.
You go a Knicks hat?
Yeah, ugh. I'll do it. I don't care. I'll wear a Knicks hat before I wear a Mets hat. I'll tell you that much.
I wear Knicks hats begrudgingly, but like for the rest of my life, wearing nothing but Knicks hats? Nah, bro. Here, okay, wait. Okay, the judges are asking a new question. Can't wear any Yankee fitteds. Can only wear Mets hats. Now do you know your kids?
Wow. See, that's an unfair question. That's a very unfair question. That's an unfair question
because if you started wearing Mets hats, your kids wouldn't fuck with you anyway.
Yeah, that's like a catch-22. They'd be like, "Hey, you fucking Herb." They'd be like, "You're a loser. All the Mets do is lose. Your dad. I know you made all of us with your dick, but you're a loser."
Look at my dad. Look at my dad wears a Mets hat. He's a sucker. He's a still loser.
What a sucker. Look at him. Look at him playing Fall Guys. He falls every time. He falls off the side, trying to play slime time. Wow, what a bozo.
Shout out to anyone playing Fall Guys that hasn't murdered someone yet or hasn't broken their controller. Everyone's like, oh, look at that cute bean game. That shit is not cute. It's actually Fall Guys represents the current situation between the 99% and the 1%. Because if you think about it, whoever created the boards on Fall Guys had enough resources to make doors that are thrown away. There's paddles. There's unlimited slime. How come there's resources, there's infrastructure for people, but there's no mass equity for the people, for the 60 beings that have to survive? Why is it only 30 beings survive? Why is it only 20 beings? Why do we have to match the fruit on the tiles? Why do we have to walk around the hexadecimal levels when we fall? That's what it is. That's what happens when we don't unify. When we don't unify, we fall through. Okay, when we work together. When we work together, you know what happens?
That's right.
Nothing, because you end up on the bitch-ass yellow team and they never win. They are
never
terrible.
Fucking win. Why,
right?
yo?
Defund the yellow team. They're terrible.
What happened? Latin kids used to be feared.
Like, I hate it because when I'm playing Fall Guys and then I see I'm the yellow team, I'm like, nah, fuck that. We're not taking no L's. We're taking the L. Because everyone on your team is like, oh, God, how do you play? And you're like, what? How do you... Yo. I'm like, why would you kick the ball in our own goal? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
You
also,
never played Rocket League?
Open your third eye. All Fall Guys is doing is indoctrinating the future generation into being hateful. You know what I'm saying? Because there's always the 3 or 4 motherfuckers that represent ICE at the end of the finish line that don't want you to cross the border. You know what I'm saying? It's a more prosperous territory. You know what I'm saying?
That's a hot take, but that is also me. If I lose 5 times in a row, I'm saying fuck this. Ain't nobody winning. Okay, fuck that. I'm gonna turn on. I'm pressing the button so I can see your actual ID as I bump you into the slime, and we're both going down.
Yo, get the pro line like ready, dog. Because when I play Fall Guys, dog, I'm like a nigga at the Puerto Rican Day Parade, just grabbing everybody, like yo, rah!
Oh man.
Ah! I don't care. Yeah, get out of my way. I'm grabbing you.
Oh man.
I'm pushing you off the edge. You're taking it out.
Fall Guys, make a little Jesus and Mero icon emotes in there. All right.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Throw some skins in there.
Be like you're.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to them.
Throw some Yankee fitted skins that I don't have to sacrifice my children for.
There you go. Actually, also the judges said that if you would be able to get away with a Yankee, what's it, menorah? No, menorah. What's it called?
Oh, yarmulke?
Yarmulke, yes.
Oh, okay.
So, yes.
Okay.
But only on specific days, I guess, and only.
Only high holidays. All right. I'll rock. You see me come through with like 6 yarmulkes on, like trying to cover my whole hairline and shit.
Why? Can you stitch mad yarmulkes together into a sombrero?
Yo. Is that what? Yo.
See, people are like, that's disrespectful. But you know what? You know who also was disrespectful? Virgil, when he first started.
That's right. Think about it. You know what I'm saying?
I'll take it even deeper. All Virgil is this generation's Betsy Ross.
Ooh.
Wow. Think about that. You know she had haters. You know there's people out there like, look up, you got stars on that shit is trash.
Ew.
That shit is corny. All right?
Yo, does Off-White really make fucking... Cause I saw this on Twitter, and I don't know if this is true or not. But, like, I feel like you're more tapped into this type of shit. Do they really... They make home goods? Like, they make, like, comforters and, like, bed sheets and shit like that?
Yes, sir. They make home goods. They make rugs you can get out of IKEA. They get all types of... And then when you see the videos, it's people rushing into IKEA as soon as it opens and fighting over the shit. And it looks kind of cool if, like...
It doesn't, though. That's my thing. Like, I saw it. It says, like, bed... You have to let... Pillow.
You have to let me finish. It looks cool if your main source of income is revenue off TikTok videos. Other than that, there's absolutely no reason why a grown adult should have any kind of off-white furniture or carpets or any of that shit.
Fam, you have like early onset dementia? Like you forgot what a bed looks like? Like, yo, nigga, my man just put black Target fucking duvets and wrote like comforter on it. Pillow.
Also,
bed.
Very important for the Bronx Bodega Hive. The off-white condoms they are selling on 161st are not legit. They're not real.
They're not real.
Okay?
They don't work. Remember the promotional Big Pun condoms back in the day? We may be dating ourselves. They don't work.
They're just writing rubber using a Sharpie. It's not even the same. It's not even the same font.
No.
Also, they rip open the actual condom wrapper to write it on there. So, like, that's the first sign you shouldn't trust it, okay?
Like, come on,
if you buy a condom and they use nail glue to stitch it back up on the top, like, come on. You knew what it was when you signed. You like the military. You knew what it was when you signed up.
You got your Camaro?
I didn't say that. I'm literally just quoting Trump.
What?
And
We're literally
quoting Trump. Trump said that to the wife of a dead soldier.
Dog,
said, you knew what it was when you signed up.
Oh, yo, imagine like Obama. Imagine Obama saying something even like kind of near that. Like,
you know what it is? Like, it's just like at this point, you can't even be like, imagine Obama. Because Obama was, listen, we all love Obama. He's black. Obama did wild, terrible shit. Obama was king of drone strikes.
Oh,
he sent mad people away. Like, let's not get it twisted because he's doing the electric slide and shit.
Oh,
you know
no.
You know, he did what a president does, and to be president of the United States means to be evil. Like, let's get it. Don't get it twisted.
Keep it funky. The what do you call it? The greatest power in the world, whatever the fuck they call it, whatever the term is.
Yeah,
it's that way because it is wild corrupt.
Yes, but like Trump just be saying shit. Like Trump is not even like, yo, Trump is bad. It's just like, yo, he just be saying wild shit.
He don't care. He's running out the clock, bro. You ever play a game and you losing by 40? And you're just like, yo, fuck it, nigga. Like, I'm just going to chuck up this 3 from half court because I don't care. We losing by 30. I'm going to get this. If I make this shot, it's going to be on YouTube. Fuck it. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like,
losing.
He's just like.
He is not losing. Like, he is doing quite well. And I think this idea that Biden successfully has a legitimate shot against him without, like, voter suppression, Russia doing some wild shit to the fucking ballots, them doing stuff about electoral, absentee balancing and stuff. And then also, like, if Trump is saying the military is fucking losers, what's to stop him from being like, no, I don't accept the election results. Fuck that. No, y'all haters. Fake news, fake results. And he just changes a lot.
This doesn't work. It's not real. It's fake.
I know a couple things about, when people try to evict you and sometimes you could change the locks, that buys you a little extra time.
You know what I'm saying?
Trump got mad time. He got mad lock money.
He got a week or two.
He got a week or two. He'd be good. Trump in housing court and shit with mad papers. Like,
yo, listen, what's good? My roof has been leaking. My ceiling's been leaking. I have a rat problem.
Listen, the voters haven't done maintenance in 6 months. I'm not
That's
paying.
Right.
I'm not paying.
I don't care. I'm not moving. I'm not doing anything. I don't care. It's not fair.
Woo.
I'm being treated unfairly. This is housing discrimination. Like, kind of like what I did back in the day, but like now it's fucked up because it's happening to me.
Facts.
How you feel, nigga? Dick.
You know the fucking vibes.
It's the White House. I'm white. It belongs to me. Can't have anybody else in here. What's wrong with you?
Trump is in here. But, I mean, hopefully No, Corona's still going strong. Shout out to someone in my comments the other day was like, Corona is done in New York City. And I was like, no, guy. That's not how it works.
That's It wasn't a miniseries. It's a pandemic.
It's a pandemic still going.
It's not The Last Dance, my guy. We didn't watch all the episodes of coronavirus.
This shit was done.
There's still mad episodes. It's like SVU, nigga. Like, we don't know when this shit is gonna end.
Yeah, as of yesterday in New York City, we had 864 new cases. Which, does that sound like a lot? People were like, well, we used to have like 1,000. And it's like, no. See, the thing is about that 864. If I was one of those 864, I'd be very upset. I'd be very, very upset. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, dog.
People don't realize coronavirus is like raw sex. It's like when you're doing it, you are taking a chance. Yep. And you don't regret it until something bad happens.
Yep.
And you keep going out and doing hookah, you're going out seeing your grandma, you're just going out in restaurants and shit. Until what?
Until you get in the clinic.
Or even worse, until you get that call, we need to talk. Guess what? I'm gonna need you to make space in your calendar for the next 18 years. And you're like, oh, damn.
I'll be like, yo, let's pivot to plan B.
No, DK, because it's a pandemic and I really need a baby to help me get through this because I'm isolated and I need some human companion. And you didn't even think about that angle. You didn't think about that angle. She ain't getting rid of that baby. She's keeping the baby.
She's like, also, you on TV, nigga. You stupid? I'm like, I'm not getting rid of this shit.
I seen those SB dunks, all right? There's Ben and Jerry's for all of us. It's like,
oh, God. Yeah.
That's why I can't be around here like splacking and dacking and get chicks pregnant. Because imagine, all a girl would have to do is take a screenshot of the show. All these stickers in the back, I'm fucked.
Yo, Judge.
My child support would be a month.
Yo, Judge, you got Instagram? Yana, you have Instagram. Just please go to @DesusNice on Instagram. Thank you. I rest my case.
I'll be like, first of all, Your Honor, that's a green screen. A lot of those are from Cambodia. They are fakes. And you know what? Actually, no, that's not even my house. I'm staying with Wexler. Yeah, I'm helping him. I'm helping Wex pick a new job. He's leaving Adidas. We looking at some things. We might bring back Blockbuster Video. It's whatever. Everything's in the air right now. So, Your Honor, just don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I have no hot takes on child support. If you look, on Twitter, I've never jumped in the child support thing and taken a side.
Child support is tricky and it's weird because like you could end up fucking yourself. Like I'm like, yo, listen, shout out to my boy, 3 kids, 3 baby mamas. Like Nori, like I had 3 C's. I had them both in the same month.
it's like, yo,
ain't want to like that, but things occur.
Like, you did that to yourself, bro. You did that to relax. It's like that famous tweet on Twitter. It was like, damn, I wish we could choose our baby mamas. It's like, bro, we can.
Yeah, you can.
Like,
you know what I'm saying? Maybe, like, you literally can.
Maybe you didn't, but, you know, free will. That's how the Bible, listen, that's a big part of Christianity. Free will. You know, the ability to decide. You know, they got these little things called condoms. You know what I'm saying? Like, or, you know, don't do that, you know?
Or, yo, shout out to Trilomarzia. You know what I'm saying?
What is that?
It's a birth control pill. You know what I'm saying? It's the pill.
No. Actually, I'm Jamaican, so I can't, like, if a woman has to use, like, some accessory for her birth control. Women, listen, and I say this, because Jamaican women know this is true. Women can control their reproductive organs. Because Jamaican women just say no. They say They when the sperm gets to the egg, they just say no.
No.
And the sperm walks away.
The sperm's like, yo.
It's true. Jamaican women do not need birth control.
Nah.
Jamaican women, their fallopian tubes are harder to get into than like a hot club in New York City. Like the sperm be out there, like, yo, check the guest list. Yo, my man.
Yo.
I'm on the guest list. What's up?
Yo, I'm good.
Big man.
Yo.
Big man.
Nah, you're not on the list. Nah, blood, you're not on the list.
Yo, big man.
Not on the list, blood.
Nah,
man.
Here.
Listen.
I'm here.
Look, I'm gonna tell you
Sprague Ben said I was good. What's up?
Yo, Trevor, I'm gonna tell you one last time.
Come on, yo, let me and my sperm homies in. Look. We got synchronize his hands. Wait, look. 1, 2, 3. Jump that wave. Jump that wave. Jump that wave. Wiggle the tail. Wiggle the tail. Wiggle the tail.
All right, cool. All right, listen.
Sperm.
Do me solid. Do me solid.
Sperm. Look. I'm sperm, so my body's white, but you can't see I have on white jeans. So, let me in. Let me in.
Right.
Boss man, let me in.
Listen. Do me a solid and swim your ass over into the Uber checkpoint and get the fuck up out of here.
Come on. Come on, man.
Yo, just think outside the club, man. Swerve saying outside the club, like, yo! And some nigga comes and steps on it.
Come on, you gotta let us in the club.
Yo!
You just say, I'm like, come on.
In this club.
Talking about other sperm. I'm like, listen, he said we can't get in, but you know what? I know something. So listen, we gotta come up with a synchronized dance right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Oh, big man.
Yo.
Big man.
Yo.
Watch the moves.
Oh.
Right foot. Left foot. Cock it.
Yo, come on, man.
Nah,
Yo,
right
man.
foot.
Fuck.
Left foot.
Hey, yo.
Cock it.
Yo, these niggas outside.
Do the fallopian.
Yo, we gotta. Yo, come on, yo. We need 3 more motherfuckers outside the fallopian tube. These motherfuckers doing a synchronized dance out here. I'm about to fuck
this
them
man's sperm jumping off like trees and shit.
Sperm dagger and shit.
Oh shit.
Mass sperm and Clarks.
Yeah. Like for some reason the egg is not in the fallopian tube. The egg is daggering, but the egg is like, no, I'm not getting pregnant. No,
I don't care.
Like, no.
I don't care.
Like, what?
Yo,
it's basically just dance hall queen with eggs and sperm.
That's
what
it.
more do you guys want?
You know what I mean? Come on, y'all. You know what I'm saying? A little dirty wine.
Dirty wine.
Everybody
want to do dirty wine. Oh, shit.
Nah, listen. Motherfucking sperm created Mario Cuomo. And Mario Cuomo is mad dumb.
The father or the son?
Oh shit! I called. They're not both Mario, right? It's Andrew, right?
Yeah. I was like, wow, Mario, come on. Yeah, Mero, give us those hot '80s takes, bro.
Yeah. I call him all Mario. That's bad. Bro. Like low key. I don't know. I don't know. Like, listen. I take a lot of shots out there. Italians, you know what I'm saying, on this here show. But
you know the fucking vibes. Hey, welcome New York. You were listening to 80s Talk with the kid Mero. Anything you want to talk about? You know, we calling up. Call them up right now. 1-800-223-9797. We got the first caller. Hey, Mero. Yeah, I wanna discuss something.
Yeah.
The Mayor Koch is thinking about replacing the 1 train with something called the 9. I don't like that. I don't feel safe with my kids riding a train numbed after the 9. What do you feel about that? Also, what do you think about this transit race? They're moving the fare up to 75 cents a ride. What am I, made of money? I'm gonna hang up and listen.
It's out of control. Yeah, listen, pal. I mean, I gotta side with you on this. You know what they say about Koch. You know, he's he's into the Let's leave it at that, you know? He hangs out with he hangs out downtown a lot. Let's just say that.
Wow. That actually used to be a wild slur. You can't be like, he hangs out downtown. Like,
yeah, for real. Like, I'm like, what does that mean? Like, why can't I buy no crack on Christmas Street? What is that?
It's like when I told my father, I was like, we're going to Delancey Street to buy leather jackets. He was like, you going to Delancey Street? I was like, what?
What?
I was like, what? I was like, Delancey Street
what do they have there?
Not. I was like, is this anti-Asian? Like, what is
that?
Like,
you don't like Asian people?
Like, that was very general.
That was weird. Why don't you want me to go down there?
Like, he just never finished it. So, all right. I'll just. There's nothing else to ask you on your deathbed. Like, don't go to Delancey. They owe me money.
Yeah.
But no, my father used to work by Delancey, so he always would come through with like the wild hot leather jackets. And by hot, I don't mean hot fashion wise. I mean hot, probably stolen, or like probably like a leather jacket that doesn't fit anyone, but the person's trying to get rid of it. So
did you have one with the like the little tie, like the little, how they have bathrobes have that little like the little belt, like, you know what I'm saying?
He got me once this like it was an official World War II bomber jacket, but it wasn't cool. It wasn't. It looked like what Averexes were trying to be, but it was like people were trying to roast it, and I was like, no, like I think the person wearing this probably died or some shit. Like this is actually
he was a loser. He was a loser.
I was like, yeah, you know the vibes. Like,
he's a loser.
Let's go, like, take that loser jacket off.
Take it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's a bullet hole in it. Wow, you took an L. Can it be me? If you were so good, how come they had to fight the world? They had to fight the World War twice. How about that?
Wow.
That hasn't been a third since.
And the second one's never as good as the first. So that loser.
Wow. World War I was way more popping.
World War
way
I
more
was
true to the original storyline.
World War II was Belly 2 with game in it. So wow. Takashi dropped a new album.
Nobody cares.
Nobody.
Well, I mean, to quote Little Dirk, we do not listen to rats.
I mean, yeah, it's the name of the album is what? Tattletales.
I'm a rat. Tattletales? Well, of course. Yeah, of course. Of course. Listen, this is just like, yo, fam, we're washed. Let's like we've accepted it. Like, but it's like watching my kids grow up every day. I'm like, oh no, I'm washed. Like I'm washed. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause like kids don't care. They do not care. They don't.
Yeah, I mean, like you can't expect like a 7-year-old to be able to turn something off, be like, oh, cause he testified in a federal trial. Like,
I'm talking about like even like 12 like middle school kids. They're like, they don't care. They don't give a fuck. They're rocking. They don't. I mean, they think it's funny. It's like, hi, he's trolling. A troll. Meme troll meme. That's like
it depends, because like I know a lot of the kids in Harlem, like if you put some Takashi shit on your IG, you get a lot of rat emojis. So shout out to them. Also shout out to all my homies in Harlem, which I've just noticed you guys go very hard with matching your Jordans exactly with what shirt you're wearing. It's very weird. It's a very very big Harlem energy. I used to see it when I was younger, but it's coming back so hard now. Like that's such a Harlem flex.
Very matchy.
Shout out to all my Harlem matchy people out there. But that's what Harlem's known for. Harlem niggas is, Harlem niggas love to flex. Harlem niggas love to shine.
Fly, Dapper Dan, you know what I'm saying? Fly out here, you know the vibes.
If we speaking about snitches, listen, if y'all can show Takashi love, why don't you show Alpo love?
That's true.
Think about
that's
that.
True. And that's not even.
If anything, Alpo got better stories.
That word. I'd rather listen to Alpo rap than Takashi, because like
okay, I didn't say anything about rapping. I say we do not need an old school drug dealer rapping about lines that have ha, y'all niggas is a bitch. Y'all just mad because a real nigga snitch. Ha ha ha. You're like, nah, that's wow. That's just like,
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Showtime.
It's showtime.
Oh shit. And then he got a video with the friend of the hive. What's her name? Black China.
Oh, Black China's in it?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised. Everybody's gonna jump on that shit. Yo, bro, like the people who are not jumping on the wave are like this is high take. This is a fuego take. I feel like if you feel like, yo, I don't need to ride this dude's wave at all. Like, I don't need any juice from this dude at all. Like, I'm good. Like, I don't need to feature. I don't need a feature. I don't need to say this dude's name. I don't need to interact or interface with him in any form, way, shape, or form of fashion. You know what I'm saying? Then you're not going to. But there's people out there that are like, yo, like, if your confidence in your own shit is low, and you're like, yo, this dude is popping, he's going viral, let me jump on this shit with him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean that's not really success. That's just like you trying to stitch together a couple of wins, a couple of viral moments to.
As Knicks fans, we are very familiar. Like, yo, you won 3 games in a row. Yo,
let's fucking go.
Yo, let's go.
4 games in a row. I got a Linsanity tramp stamp. What do you want?
Saying? What's popping?
You think I regret it? No, I'm wearing a midriff right now. Look at it, boys. Okay, all right. And it's all in Mandarin to make it even more mysterious. Like, wow.
Yo, what
does that say? I'm like, it's Jeremy Lin's week game score. You know what I'm saying? It's just how many handles he had.
You know what I'm saying?
Left.
Yeah, that's right. You know what I mean? The one time he beat the Lakers at the Garden.
Yeah, that was a moment, bro.
I think he hung a 30-piece on him over. Damn, this is pathetic. This is so pathetic. Like, we're going back in time to like a 3-game stretch, like it was a fucking dynasty. Like,
I mean, don't forget, like he shot Kobe Bryant in that game. So you could let us cheer for our victory that we had in 2014. Those were the days. 6 years ago. That's what Knicks fans have. That's why you can't hurt Knicks fans. Because we live in memories.
Yeah.
Okay? The same way, every day on the timeline, you see people, they're clamoring for old hip-hop. They're like, oh, I miss 96. I miss 97. That's Knicks fans. We miss old shit because we know it's never coming back.
Hell yeah. Motherfuckers, I'd be like, yo, I can't wait. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I need to hear some new Fabulous.
There you go.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I'm sticking by my guy.
That's a different fan base. There's certain fan bases that's like, all right, I could kind of fuck with this person. I might pick. No, if you a Fabulous fan, you were playing his shit on Spotify at 12:01 when that shit drops. Okay, you digging up old tweets like "fuck you." Soul Tape 4 was fire, and it was like, bro, that was like, how many years ago was that? Like, why are you still responding to this shit?
Fam, this tweet was. I typed this tweet on a clamshell phone. Why are you responding to this tweet?
It still stands, bro.
I wrote this tweet while I was standing in front of the bodega freezing with crack in my butt. Like, I did not. This is a one-off.
Also, shout out to the inmate that tried to beat up R. Kelly this week. You know
shout out to you. You know what I mean? Salute to you, my guy.
All right. Try to stab him with a pen.
Put the info out there. Put some money in your books.
You got to do some things, just test yourself. Like, if you're sitting in jail, if you're in jail and you got nothing going on, and you just like, you facing serious time, and R. Kelly right there, sure, why not? Hit that nigga.
Nigga, yo, if I'm doing double life or some shit like that, bro, I'm fucking R. Kelly up. I'm getting that clout, bro. I'm going viral in jail. I don't give a fuck.
But then the problem is, what if there's inmates in there that fuck with R. Kelly? Because there's a lot of inmates that fuck with R. Kelly. Or what if someone's mother fucks with R. Kelly heavy, and she goes on the payphone like, yo, green light that nigga that hit R. Kelly.
Fuck it. I'm going out like a G. Fuck it.
Like G.
Yeah. Double life, man. That shit. Look, like if there's like,
double life is a bit much. Like, we have to ask what the fuck happened. Like, most people are not in jail on double life.
You know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm saying. That's what it would take. Like, if you're giving me even if you're giving me a life sentence, and it's like, yo, because everybody knows after 25 you're eligible for parole. You know what I'm saying? So like, even then, I'm not fucking up. I'm not doing that. Double life, I'm not coming out. I'm not seeing the light of day never again. I'm going in. I don't care.
Nah, it's not even how. No, because you know what happens is, no matter what your charge is, especially if the charge is like lesser or you didn't do it, you come in so angry that stuff that wouldn't be rational outside the prison walls all of a sudden makes sense. So before you were just like, yo, I'm gonna just do this bookings. You know what? I'm going to bookings for the weekend. Fuck that. I'm not gonna fight with nobody. I'm gonna mind my business. I'll be out in 3 days. 1 hour into that shit, somebody takes your seat on the bench. Fuck that. You trying to kill this nigga. Because that's just what prison is. That is just what prison is. All those rules you had on the street, they done. They done. You sitting there, and then you start thinking like, yo, I might not beat these charges, so let me make sure I rock a nigga in bookings, so when I go on the island, they be like, yo, that nigga was wilding in bookings. And so the CEOs know my name, and so I come in there, you know what I'm saying, they got the spit guard on me, because I spit on a CEO, and I try to cut a nigga. And all of a sudden, it's not like, yo, there's a difference. There's a difference when the CEO say your name, and the CEO pause and be like, oh, you a wild boy. You might need that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you might need that. A little prison hot take. Here's a hot take from Desus. You know, I was talking to my boy the other day. He was telling me because allegedly he has a gun charge. Allegedly, because the cops found him with a gun. And you know, yeah, allegedly. But he was telling me about, I was telling him the magic of beating a charge. And the thing is, if you go online because of coronavirus now, you can reschedule your trial. So you want to keep rescheduling your trial to like as far away as possible. And then what happens is the cop probably won't show up. And then, or if he does show up, he won't remember shit. And, well, that's all.
Mistrial. On the night of
there's your hot tip.
Get the case sorted out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And
if that doesn't work, here's my other hot tip. Use the general as your lawyer. Okay?
I'm gonna say don't do that.
You're like, yo, like, who's representing you? Is this Shaq and the general? You're like, oh,
yo, fuck, yo.
Wow.
I don't trust these niggas with my 05 Honda Accord. I don't trust you with my freedom.
The judge is like, how would you like to plead? Shaq is taking mad time to put on tough acting to acting and shit. You're like, Jesus Christ.
We'd like to plead barbecue chicken.
I want to plead that my client is he's not guilty because he, like Charles Barkley, has no rings. I'm like, what the? I'm facing 20 years. Why are you talking about Charles Barkley right now? We're not on in the what do you see Ernie here? What are you doing?
Well, we went over this. We talked about the no ring defense. They got you. They got you on video, cuz.
Also, I asked you if I need a criminal investigator for the crime scene, and you responded to the email. Go to the general and save some time? What does that mean? What the fuck does that mean? You responded to 5 of my emails like that, Shaq. Shaq, are you even a lawyer?
I am in Arizona.
What? We're not in Arizona.
So can we get extradited?
Why would I want to get? What?
Is that the right word?
What?
Your Honor,
what?
Your Honor, I request a recess. Cut.
Yeah.
The Christmas tree, the holiday edition.
Your Honor, I would request Flo from Progressive as my legal counsel, please. She has a little gun.
Hey! She just pull up with the little witch. Hey, let me scare you. Yeah, looks like you're gonna be doing some time. Hey, but I'm gonna knock 10 years off your sentence.
Okay. I got a hot take. What's her name? Claire Huxtable was a terrible lawyer, and she lost mad cases. And yeah, I'm throwing it out there. We never know. She was at home too much. If she was a good lawyer, she never would have been at home. She would not have had mad kids. That's why she had mad kids, because she kept losing cases. Her law firm sent her home, and then Cliff would blow her back out. And that's all we're saying about Cliff. That's literally all we're gonna say about Cliff. That's literally Cliff starts his mention here and ends right there. That's it. Okay? Fictional character. Cliff Huxtable is a fictional character. That's all we're saying. If we were across the pond, I would say from A to Z. That's all we're talking about. Okay? You feel me?
That's very true. Like sitcoms, they didn't really like take into account like reality. Like shout out to my homegirl Jazz, who is an actual attorney and is like actually like working like 12-hour days and shit, like just poring over paperwork and case shit and precedents and this, that, and the third and da-da-da-da and all this shit. And I'm just like, fam, Claire was just chilling at the crib. Like either she's a partner and she's just like chilling, or she's also, like Salino and Barnes and Huxtable. Like, and
then, like, what was the deal with like was Cliff's? Because the clinic wasn't in a basement, but I guess it was like around the corner. But I don't
It
know.
was like he was just working out of a Motel 6 and shit. Like he was delivering babies and doing butt implants and like in the in between.
Your man just going to the Continental breakfast with the rubber gloves still on.
Yo,
grabbing
yo,
like a baguette.
good.
Yo.
Yo,
Yeah, I
what's
got
up
like
with
10
your
minutes. I got 10 minutes. She's only dilated 7 centimeters, so it's whatever.
glove?
All right, okay. You know what?
just because.
You can't even talk about the Cosby Show. You can't even talk. You talk about the Cosby Show as taking like a whimsical stroll through Chernobyl. Like you can't do it. You can't do it.
Yeah, let's.
The Geiger counters is going off like. It's like no, it's not cool.
Let's have a light. Some small talk about the Holocaust. How about that? Like nah, dog. And it doesn't work like that. Let's not
do that. Oh man.
The only thing that I am excited for about related to Trump is all the books that are about to come out, spilling all the tea, but like with detail. Because like we know like he's a socio boy. He probably did a bunch of wild shit, but like the extent of which, you know what I mean? Like the far reaches. Like I want to read some nasty shit. Like yo, I was with fucking, you know what I'm saying? Like random, like yo, we would run DMC and we you know what I'm saying? Like run, yo, Russell passed you some yay, we sniffing yay, and then fucking we had sex with a pit bull, like some wild next level socio.
Yeah, like, that's definitely gonna come out. Like, but it's just like it would have been, it would have been nice if like I don't know, these people had reported this before they signed the book deal and took the 2 years it takes to write the book. Sitting up in a conference room in Random House and talking to a guy Dan Zitt, and he's like, "I love this. This is great.
Okay. This is amazing.
This is amazing. We're gonna release this. We're gonna release this a week before Christmas. It's gonna sell hotcakes.
It's gonna be fucking awesome.
Also, why the fuck do people always talk about selling hot takes? Whoa! When was the last time you went and bought a hot cake? Go in the bodega right now and say to Poppy, "I want a hot cake," and see if you don't get half a bat thrown at you.
He'll be like, "Poppy, you want a what? You want a hot cake? Toma, mama, go ahead." You know what I'm saying? Hit you right on the top of the dome.
Hot cakes. Is a hot cake just a pancake?
Yeah. It literally is like, it's a racist pancake. It's like Jim Crow era pancakes.
Yeah, I can see that.
Only white people were allowed to eat them back then.
Yeah, it even sounds racist because if you just drag out the hot, you're like, oh, hey, Mero, you enjoying that hot cake?
Hot cake?
It's like, why do you have to mention the temperature on my food? That's racist. Oh, hey, look at him.
Hey,
wow.
I heard you guys like spicy food.
Wow, Mero, you enjoying that cold gazpacho? And you're like, what? Gazpacho is naturally served. Why would you add that? It's supposed to be. Now I'm feeling weird. It's like, oh.
Well, I mean, I just came out of Bass Pro Shop and this shit is cold. I never had cold gumbo before. I'm like, sir, this is gazpacho.
Hey, Mero, I hope you're enjoying your omelet with jalapeno sauce. And you're like, why did you add that? You look around, everyone in the restaurant's looking at you.
They're like, yo, Mexican? I'm like, yo.
Yeah. You climbed the border to get here? And we're like, he's Dominican.
I'm Dominican, though. I can't, my parents came here on a plane.
And we're like, oh, we heard about you, Desus. Yeah. We know about your brother, Didi Gregorius, all right? Why don't you go back to Europe? I'm like,
yeah, go back to Dutch County. That's right.
What?
Yeah, you're a Dutch. Yeah. Go back to your Dutch master. You know what I'm saying?
No, yeah. I bought a Dutch master once. Like, I'm not Dutch. What the
well,
you think I'm
Dutch?
Dutch?
Now that doesn't make any sense at all. Like, well, you and Didi, you guys are both,
Listen. Or even better, where they're just like, I can't understand your Jamaican accent. And I'm like, brother, I assure you, I do not have a Jamaican accent. Nothing close to Jamaican. What I have is called white person voice done by black person. So, just let me cook. Just let me cook.
Code switch. Look, code switch right there.
We need to do a song called Code Switch. And we get yo. Now do the dozel. You want a job interview?
What?
You in a Zoom with your boss?
Code switch.
Turn your camera off.
Code switch. Like the easy off the back of your name. Pull a Jessica Crugg and claim nationality ain't yours.
Listen, we need to make a Zoom song for everybody because like everyone's in Zoom, so it'd be like, yo, like a Zoom song. It'd be like, yo. All my non-video recipients, you know what I'm saying? All my non-video participants.
Holla at your boys. Don't know one time. Put an emoji in the chat, y'all.
There you go.
Motherfucker, yo.
Go ahead. Also, shout out to everybody out there, typing wild spicy in the chat, not realizing that the host gets everything that you type in the chat at the end when they save the Zoom. So, you know, if you type, wow, this host is wild OG boring, but you think it's directly from you to the other person. No. The host sees it all. The host sees it all. You know, just be careful.
Yeah, guys.
Also, think about it. If you feel that close to that person that you're gonna in the chat and send them slander via the chat, wouldn't it just be easier to just text them?
Yeah.
Y'all at home? Just text them.
Like, what are you
text
doing? Just text a motherfucker, dog. I'm texting people in my house while they're in my house.
Listen, you can't trust these cameras. Crazy. I don't know I have a Showtime bought camera in front of me. All right? You think I'm ever getting naked in front of it? Just because I turn it off doesn't mean it's off. I know Showtime is trying to bring back, you know, the L word and some other things. Like, they want some B-roll footage, and I'm not going to let them catch me with my brown Brazil going through my sneaker room and use that as a clip show. You know what I'm saying? Like,
listen, on the other hand, I did the exact opposite. I noticed that my camera was on, and I started jacking off directly into the camera so that to intimidate them, and they would to turn off the stream. You know what I'm saying?
Turn off the stream.
You know what I mean?
Bro. Listen, bro.
They're like, yo, no, he's dropping the top.
Bro, when you get over 35, the stream turns itself off if you know what I'm talking about. Bro. You gotta get that shit checked out, bro. Like, a little cod liver oil helps with that, but I mean, there's only but so much you can do, bro.
Yo.
Shit's nasty, but it works, bro.
Oh shit. Goddamn. Yo, fucking, as we speak, the NBA playoffs are happening, and LeBron is being guarded by
63-55 at halftime. Yeah. The Lakers are losing. There's no fans in attendance as they face the Houston Rockets. I mean, you know, they had a great game before this one.
Yo,
I mean, I'm trying to watch basketball. I really don't give a shit. It really hurts my heart to watch another team get a championship or even come close to a championship. It hurts my heart to see people enjoying seeing their players participate in the playoffs, because as a Knicks fan, I have no idea what that is like. And now they're in a bubble playoff, which makes it even more, and the games are more intense, and my Knicks are doing nothing. And also, shout out to NBA 2K20. Finally got it installed, finally played it. I put all the sliders up to 99. My Knicks still lost to the Lakers in rookie mode by 40. It makes absolutely no goddamn sense.
Are you calling plays or are you just chucking? Because like I
because I play like it's NBA Live 95. Calling plays. The number one play in any NBA game, any video game I ever make is give the ball to my created character, get the fuck out the way. All right, we all play the same game. All right. Oh wow, Jesus nice with sunglasses on, shoot from the half court mark. It's good. Like,
it's good.
Yeah.
My God.
Doris Burke at halftime, like, wow, Jesus has 65 points in the first half. The rest of his team has 3 points. It's like, yeah.
They're gonna want to double. They're gonna want to double him. I mean, he's just shooting at will.
This is my player gets 2 triple doubles in one game. You're like, how is that even possible? It's like, no, check the stats. Check the stats.
I'm just calling, like, I had to learn. Like, I'm like, oh, this is like playing basketball for real. Like all the new shit. I'm like, dog, I want to play NBA Jam. I was like, this is like real basketball. I was
first thing I did, I went in the settings. I was like, fatigue off. They were like, nah, you can't. They was like, that's not realistic. I was like, this is not. Like, what fun is it to play a realistic basketball game?
Like,
hey, I'm older and I can't run up and down the court as much as I used to last season.
Hey,
I'm be reminded of that shit.
I'm 7'4". I can't shoot threes. Like, no, fuck that. Listen, I'm winning this 3-point contest with Dikembe Mutombo. You can't tell me otherwise.
Give me a reason why, scientifically. Explain to me why LeBron cannot run up and down the court for 74 minutes and not have the same exact energy in minute 1 as he has in minute 73.59 seconds. All right? I want to know. That's some bullshit.
Fuck out of here.
Anti-black.
The little Gatorade symbol. Like, yo, this nigga's thirsty. Bench him.
The best part is just like, whatever player on the Knicks is the point guard or shooting guard, they're shooting threes. I don't know their history. I don't know their stats. But no. Nah, but then the computer saw, like, we were catching up, because I think we hit something like 12. We scored 12 points off threes or some shit, and LeBron completely lost it. Computer LeBron, And then I was like, wait a minute. When I made my settings 99%, did I make his settings 99%? Because I just hit it. Anthony Davis is just hitting like 3-pointers from outside in the locker room. They're doing like half-court alley-oops and shit. Fucking Red Panda is on the unicycle hitting shots for them. Like, I'm like, what the fuck is going on here?
What the fuck is happening? Dog, I got so lost in that game, dog. The only thing, I just call for picks all day. Like, because you can't shoot a three. Like, you can't shoot it. If a motherfucker is 4 feet in front of you, you can't shoot a three. So I'm like, picks all day. Give me a pick. Set a pick.
Shout out to Wash Gang. It made me miss the greatest basketball game ever, Coach K for the Sega Genesis. Where you could smash the backboard, and also you had like all the the college audience, and they were playing the little drums and rooting for you. And you could get a fast break, and you could be nasty in that game.
Yo.
Shout out to that, man. Y'all wasn't there. Y'all weren't even sperm yet.
Yo, facts. I feel like the first couple of like 2K games, like for Dreamcast, this shit were fire. Because like if you put the sliders on 99, that shit was reflected in the game, dog.
Oh yeah.
Like it was like the original. Like this nigga don't miss. Like you can shoot from anywhere. Like yo, as long as you release it at the top of your jump, you good money.
Oh man.
I'm like, yo, let's do All-Star Weekend. I'm winning the 3-point contest with Shaq. Suck my dick.
We can't. I was been talking to people about how we could bring back NBA Street. Apparently, we can't. But now that we were established enough, we probably could just recreate a new label or a new series.
Double dribble.
I was thinking of the name. These niggas balling, but that's probably not gonna tell. Just want to have like a lot of white kids on TikTok like, yo, I'm playing These Niggas Balling. Love this game.
Oh yeah, I love it. Every time I turn on These Niggas Balling,
yeah,
this is my favorite nigga to ball with. Like, yo, no.
You want to? Hey, what up, nigga?
Hunter?
You want to play some TNB? It's like no.
It becomes like the #1 selling fucking download. Trending.
And these niggas is balling. You're like, no.
Doesn't
work. This doesn't work.
Stop.
It's the new Fortnite and shit. You just got Ninja playing These Niggas Balling. Like, wow.
Yo.
He's like, no, I'm playing These Ninjas Balling. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Fix it up.
Yeah. These ninjas balling. Fam. Oh my god. Speaking of video games, I played Fortnite for the first time in like eons the other day because my brother just got a Switch. Shout out to Tito for joining us in the future, getting video games. Yo, Travis Scott has like I thought it was like, I know he did a concert and he did like this whole big thing and like a Fortnite thing and like it was a super smart idea. Yo, your man got like skins. Like you could you could be Travis Scott in Fortnite. Like
he had a concert. He had a concert in Fortnite. So
and I was like, yo, this is dope. I didn't know that it came with like downloadable content. So like, imagine my surprise when I get smoked by fucking Travis Scott with a pump shotty, and that evaporate.
He's doing something with McDonald's. He's doing a six burger. So look out for that.
Wow.
I guess because nothing
with
nothing
6 beef patties.
No, it's just called a six burger. It's just.
Oh, okay. I was like, damn, bro, that's OD.
That's a lot. That's like Travis Scott's popping. He's not 6 beef patty popping. Right? That's like a war crime. Okay, who could get away with a 6 beef patty burger? Maybe Jay-Z, maybe Beyonce, Shakira. Not in this country.
Dog, 6 patties. You can sue whoever serves you that. You can sue them for like malpractice.
Well, it depends where you're going.
Negligence.
6 patties, like 6 McDonald's patties is one thing. 6 Burger King patties, Burger King patties is OD big for no reason.
Yo, they fit 2 C's, you know what I'm saying?
But then you go to Shake Shack, or if you don't go to Shake Shack, you go to NYC's finest popping and hamburger spot, Milk Bar. Check out Milk Bar, the homies on Broad Boulevard. But they use quality beef. So the patties are smaller, but they're more flavorful. They're moister. They taste better. They use potato rolls as the bun. You pay a little extra, but it's better. Because when you get McDonald's, when you're at a low point in your life, you know what I'm saying? When you get the burger and you want the burger to taste like how fucked up your life is. You want to eat it alone in your house with the lights off.
Yo, speaking of that, shout out to Shorty who unwrapped a 24-year-old fucking McDonald's cheeseburger and fries, and the shit looked exactly the same as it did 24 years ago.
Listen, ba-da-da-da-da, they're loving it.
Yo, I was
right.
like, what? This shit got mad. Yo, this shit is, you know how much shit says like contains stabilizers? I was like, this shit got a retaining wall. Like,
that's what I'm waiting for.
Fuck,
The rest
damn.
of y'all buying ammo and guns for the race riots. Nah, nigga, I got a room full of fillet of fish, okay?
yo,
Wait,
it lasts forever.
Right there. You open my gun closet, all it is tartar sauce. It's on deck. What's up? What's up? Yo, all my Muslims come with, Charlemagne pronunciation. All my Muslims, you know what I'm saying? Come to the compound.
Come fuck with your boy.
Come fuck with the boy with the fillet of fish. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have like a gun belt with just like mad fillet of fish. The patties on it. So, like, yo, what's up?
Just take
Super soaker full of tartar sauce. It's gonna get clogged every now and then because there's like a diced onion in it. But listen, yo, want these?
God damn.
Hop in there like, welcome to Flavor Town, motherfucker.
Yeah,
bro.
Shout the Guy Fieri. Well, I wonder what Guy Fieri's doing right now.
Probably wearing some Crocs.
Yeah.
Wear some Crocs. Like,
yeah.
Keep frying some shit. You know what I'm saying? But he's been doing good shit. He's been helping out people in the
shout out to him. A lot of people, like it's like it's fun. Like it's fun. He's funny to make fun of and shit like that. But he does a lot of good for the feeding people and shit like that.
He be doing things. Shout out to Guy Fieri. They don't have Guy Fieri Fest anymore because people are social distancing. But it's
he's out here feeding the hungry and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him.
Feeding the hungry, not feeding the military because they're suckers and losers.
If you took an L, you got clapped, boy. Imagine, you know when niggas come back from like active deployment and shit, the president's standing, he's just like saluting them all and shit.
Yeah.
And Trump, they just all coming down the stairs and he's just like, boy.
Just Trump roasting the coffins, like like yo.
Yo! Wow!
Oh
yeah.
Shit, we didn't even talk about this since because we did a virtual book tour. Yo, rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman, man, the homie.
Yo,
we never got a chance to talk about it on the
Yes.
podcast. That shit is wow.
That shit was terrible, man.
Out of nowhere. Well, he knew, but
Yeah. But yo, you know what? That's like, I mean, I don't like, nobody knows anybody's like story, right? What they were thinking, what their impetus was for doing things. But people are speculating that he wanted to do these roles that he felt were really important and impactful, like Jackie Robinson, like, Black Panther, all that stuff, because it was like important. You know what I mean? He got there was a video that I saw like of him doing the press run early, and he got choked up because he was like, a little kid came up and was just like, when I see you, I see me. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I never seen a black superhero before. You know what I mean? Like on this level, and it shit made $1 billion. You know what I'm saying? The most successful Marvel Universe movie to date. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? He did that.
Yo, rest in peace to the homie. I don't know how they're gonna continue it. I think they're just gonna make his sister the new Black Panther. But damn, like we was like, if you go back and look at the extended interview, we was just chilling with him. Just and he comes out of not out of character, but he was very chill. He was just he was having a good time.
No, it was funny because what the shit that had me dying was like, because he's a serious dramatic actor. You know what I'm saying? And those dudes you don't expect to be like funny, like off the cuff and shit. And then when you were like, yo, do the kind of thing, he stood up, he was like, I'm not tap dancing for you, brother.
Yeah.
Like that shit sent me into orbit, dog. Like, yo, I was crying laughing when I saw that.
Was so, because we used to do that when we saw him in Vegas. Like he was doing a serious interview for Billboard magazine or one of those things. And I was like, hey, Black Panther. Do the salute. He was like, fuck you. And I just walked away. And the reporter was like, do they even know each other? What the fuck was that? And I saw him, he did it again that night. And I was like, hey, Black Panther, Wakanda forever. And he was like, I'm going to fuck you up. Rest in peace to the homie.
Yo, for real.
Oh, man.
Yo.
Damn, life is short. Black men, go out here, get your colons checked, bro. Get your colons checked. That shit is killing us. Killing us worse than the cops. So we gotta go. Do our due diligence and go get this shit checked out.
As a fellow wash man with diverticulosis, it behooves me to tell y'all. This can be I think the number is like 70. Fat God, you can check me at any time. Anybody else, any medical professionals. If you get screened for this shit, the chances of you contracting or not contracting, but getting colon or colorectal cancer is significantly reduced. I think it's like 65% or like 70% or some shit like that. So get your colonoscopy, Pete. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Get your butthole
checkups and shit.
straight. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
That shit checked out.
You know what I mean?
Let the
For real.
doctor make a TikTok of your rubber balloon knot. It
You know what I'm
sounds
saying?
weird,
It sounds weird, but it's good. It'll save
Okay?
you. You know what I'm saying?
Tell them to put it. If they ask you what song you want, ask them to put it to the Weekend Blinding Lights. It works
Yes.
perfectly. You know what I'm saying? When they're just
Yes.
going, doo, 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 doo. You love it. It'd be great.
Yeah.
You can watch it later. You can show it to your friends. You can share it on Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories.
Know what I'm
share it on
saying?
platforms. You know what I'm saying? Share- add it to your Spotify playlist. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
like and
wow.
follow. Spotify, you even know, shout out to Spotify with their eclectic playlist. Just this morning, I was listening to Colonoscopy Bangers 4, and now I'm asking myself, where's Colonoscopy Bangers 3?
Yeah.
So,
Your daily colonoscopy been missed. You know what I'm saying? That's what we
shout
got
out to Spotify. You can search for one song and completely ruin your life on there. It makes absolutely no sense.
Yo.
You look for one song, you're like, hey, who sung the original version of Gwen Stefani, If I Was a Rich Girl? And next thing you know, now your shit is just
you got
straight.
40 covers?
You got Barbara Streisand as much as you want. You're like, what did I do to deserve this? And then because Spotify is like all over the place, they'll do a playlist and it'll be like Barbara Streisand, YBN Corday, Pop Smoke, Pink. You're like, what's Bob Marley, Shine Poe. You're like, whoa, you're just naming random artists. Hell Rao, 500,000. Yo, Smooth the Hustler, Sade. I'm like, how did we went from Sade to Smooth the Hustler. Wow.
Whoa, okay.
Wow, you're doing a lot.
Yo, that's all my year-end playlists are like that. Because I listen to the most randomest shit like all the time. It'll be like fucking like, yo, Hell Rel, followed by Bratmobile. Like, yo, what? Like, what? Who, like, and half the people are like, what the fuck is Bratmobile? You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Spotify, you know what I'm saying? For broadening my horizons. You know what I'm saying? I used to do that Tower Records like a wash boy. You know what I'm saying? But now we do it digitally.
Shout out to Spotify, fucking with the brand. I know you people seen it. Yo, shout out to Rap Caviar out here. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Now we on Spotify heavy. Got a couple playlists and shit for you to check out.
By the way,
check that out.
We being like, you know what I'm saying? This was not. I've seen speculation. This is not a Spotify deal. You know what I'm saying? No. We didn't like sign over. Like we didn't like, yo, hey, here, take Bodega Boys, take the IP. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, play the Steve Stout clip.
If I may, as the fat god and manager and all things deals, you guys uploaded so many bootleg fucking copies, we had to just give up.
Yes, exactly.
We're not gonna fight with you. It's free anyway. Just here.
Yeah, listen.
Moral reasons for not doing it sooner.
If that's how y'all want to consume it, we got down with it. We get paid off of it. But no, we're not going all Spotify only. Because we see like shout out to Joe Button. He got his thing. He has his own vision, and he doesn't see eye to eye with Spotify. So shout out to him for standing his ground on that. And you got like Joe Rogan, who uploaded. He's Spotify only. And some of his most controversial episodes did not get uploaded to Spotify. So now people are like, what the fuck? And if I was Joe Rogan, I'd be like, I can't hear you because I am drying my tears with all these bags of money they drove up to my house. So that's called not having artistic integrity, which is something I would like to remind you guys, we have never said we had. If someone offers us the bag, we are out of this bitch, okay?
Man,
you understand?
Are you nuts? Bro, like, I'll be Joe Brogan. I'll be up there smoking weed, talking about like coronavirus. I mean, like, really? Like, what do you think? Like, is it really real? Like, I mean, I don't know.
If Tom was like, I'm reopening MySpace and your podcast can only be streamed on there,
Let's go. I fuck with you, Tom.
Me and Mero was like,
we need to move Lonzo.
That ain't no problem. Huh? Not at all.
There ain't no problem. All right, we'll be like, yo, Bodega High, what's up? For the latest episode, be sure to log in to Facebook, and then you have to follow me and follow Mero, and then follow Tom, and be sure to put us in your top 8, or else you won't have access to the world's most dangerous world's most dangerous podcast, only available in real media streaming format.
That's right. Sponsored by Doritos and Pepsi.
Yeah. People in the Reddit's like, this podcast is only coming at 96K now. I'm like, yeah, that's the technology MySpace uses.
Yeah,
like,
that's what we're doing. We're using.
Are you guys using the latest update on Real Player? Yeah. That might be.
You got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe for update to Windows 98.
You know what it is?
95.
If you guys could go use a Waymac machine, just go and you got to find like the codec from 03.
Yeah.
I think that will probably help with the sound.
Absolutely.
Oh, you know the problem is, like, if you have a MacBook that was made after like 08, you're not gonna be able to access any of our auto files. Sorry. Like, you have to have VLC to like listen. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, our podcasts are like J. Cole lyrics. Like, you have to have like a certain amount
level
of
intellect
to like accept it, bro.
Like, if you don't have the like capacity to like understand.
Yeah, don't even embarrass yourself, bro. Don't even embarrass yourself. Like,
remember that song about him losing his virginity? Like how like meta it was?
And they had like 2 puppies. Like, the puppies are fucking.
Yeah.
Like
they didn't understand that.
Like, there's no more of that. Okay.
All right.
You know what? We never. Did you ever see the episode of Paw Patrol where? What was it? I was just thinking. I just seen it the other day, and I was really kind of just disgusted. Where Chase was like fucking the snitch.
Oh yeah,
that was wild.
That was wild. And then he helped the snitch break out when they went in jail, when they went into prison.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he was like, "Yo, mom, I'm gonna tell like, yo, like you keep giving me that sloppy toppy. I'm gonna tell everyone they snitched on you." And they like, wow. Aren't you supposed to be a cop? He was like, "I'm a dog."
Nah.
Wow.
Yo, that's right. Escape from Dagamora. You know what I'm saying?
Listen. This dark version of Paw Patrol is coming to theaters soon. Y'all want it or not?
I can't wait.
All right. Listen, when the firefighting dog got the wild opioid problem, you want that? You want to go through that? Okay. Listen, Chase's background ain't so clean, bro.
Yo.
Right? Chase has been investigated for some incidents of unnecessary aggression.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Bro.
Chase is the stapler of the crew.
All right.
He's unstable.
I don't want to be that guy, but defund Paw Patrol. All right? There's someone out there right now listening like, yo, fuck Chase. Chase did a wild stop and frisk with no gloves.
Yeah.
Imagine Chase stop and frisk you and then licks your face.
Yo, wow.
Just Chase like, he's just sniffing your butt like, yeah, you got anything in there, bro?
Huh? Spread your cheeks, bro.
Yeah.
Spread your cheeks. Let me get my tongue in there.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
3 grams of puree. 3 grams of puree. You're going downtown, pal. Follow me. Get in my Paw Patrol cruiser.
Look at his eyes. I listen. I know gravy eyes when I see him. All right. Yeah. It's a weekend. You're gonna be down for 3 days, you son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
You like that brown, huh? Yeah. You like the tan? Motherfucker.
I'll just watch it. I'll watch it with my nephew. I have to cover his ears. I was like, yeah, this might be the Showtime version. Like, wow, bro. But you know the fucking vibe. Episode 217 of the world's most dangerous podcast. As always, you know the vibes. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets. The Pockets. What do? They stay. And I want to say, fat like Cheerio.
Nope.
That's just what it is. But see, it doesn't taste right. It doesn't taste right. It's like when you buy cream cheese and then you look and you bought like the like
it's past the sell by date or like and they got like the little liquid on top. It's a little sour.
So you gotta roll it back and you gotta say Pockets stay fat. Like here we go. Something I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's, Where Rondo, 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off the Juve Boss.
Yeah.
The Juve Boss. You know what I do. Shout out to everyone out there supposed to be celebrating Juve this weekend. You're not, but I'm going to warn you, please do not go to any of those illegal private Juves. They're very dangerous. You will die.
You'll get robbed. You'll get robbed and get Rona.
No, it's not even get robbed. You're going to die. Someone got to die at Juve. Don't make it be you. Do not make it be you, bro.
Come on, man.
Do a virtual Juve.
droplet or bullet or, you know what I'm saying? Don't do it.
MC looking good, gonna be putting up for 40 with your shorty. Again, don't talk to me in the Uber pool, 'cause I don't know you. The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Caesar Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa. Young Chakuni without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo, yeah.
Ew, Bobby.
Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dalu. One more time, Dalu. Leonardo the Tropio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite. You're listening to Watch FM. Up next, we got a throwback. We got a man that you all know about. He was recently in some beef. He had to bring it back on y'all.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
1, 2.
Nah, stop.
Yeah, faggot. If I wanted, I'm going.
Wow.
Nigga, fuck.
I never heard of.
Love you, nigga.
Dog uses things to reefer. When I call a bitch like she Queen Latifah. Vehicles small enough to stash the street sweet. This shit
Nigga, masterpiece sneaker.
Uglier than the masterpiece sneaker. That's right. Listen, it's very rare to be a multiple contestant on Watch FM. Shout out to the boy Lloyd Banks, because Fiddy is beefing with Rick Ross, and Rick Ross was like, hey, Lloyd Banks, I want to buy your name and make it one of my nicknames. And Lloyd Banks was like, yo, don't pay attention to the circus. Real niggas only. Real niggas only. You know what I'm saying? He said he's not beefing with nobody. Respect that man. Give it up for the rap Vince Carter. You know what I'm saying? Respect to my man Lloyd Banks. You know what I'm saying?
That's called motherfucking bars, nigga.
You know that.
You
Yo,
know
here we go. Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Lee and Dion Ray, nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain, word to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Bloodcoast, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human world is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, the Noma Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova, William H. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar.
Oh, no.
Forget to watch it.
Wait.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left. Man's is Marv looking for Troy Lane's bitch ass. You know what I'm saying? Put him in some protein. Watch when I run up on you. All right? And when I run up, I have to wait for the light because we don't jaywalk in Canada.
That's right.
Showers are the holy cow. Yo, Mr. Stop all I do is count checks and jerk off. And you know what? Because of Corona, I'm doing a lot more the second. Oh, let's go. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it is me, Sunny D. Oh, yeah. David Yerman. These expensive, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Smoke King Noah, Andrew Coonana, a.k.a. the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charger.
See, no wireless.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Talking with gossip and Sayashi. Shout out to the 11791. Woo. A.k.a. Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticker because he might scratch you. And it's going to be one of those weird cat scratches that doesn't draw blood until like 3 minutes later, and it hurts like hell. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and then you got to go get a tetanus shot.
It's your man Deadeye Deez this morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if I stole these Telfair bags. I think they changed the bot thing, so I can't do that anymore. I'm losing. I don't know what to steal anymore. I'll be honest.
Darn it.
It's Corona. It's making things hard for Corona.
Oh, man.
Mr. Top of that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerino, a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor. The sheet mask killer. No one could be iller. The black Zach Morris support Morris. Young KPI. Hey, listen, it's your personal Jesus, aka the Pele Peloton, aka Problematic Bay. It's not a secret family. It's not a secret family. If you block them on Zoom, that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. All right, do what you gotta do. I didn't say you had to do it, but it is an option. It is an option. Look, you know their email address. Just block them, bro.
You know what I'm saying? If you wasn't in the Zoom,
listen. Put them in the breakout room. All right. If they could break out, they can break out. If not, you know what? They're suckers and they're losers. Up next, we got our boy, the Kid Mero.
Guess what? Hey, that's my man is right. If you wasn't in the Zoom, you wasn't in the womb. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boys. The Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Roll and jump the curb, hit your motherfucking dog. Keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. Yo, this leash was not 6 feet long, man. I helped you out. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I'm a fucking baby. I'm fucking man. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. There is no guest list. There's no parties. There's no nothing. You know what I'm saying? If you want to turn up, follow Hasan Insane. You know what I'm saying? You got the Twitch popping. You know what I'm saying? It's lit. You know what I'm saying? Turn up in your fucking living room. You know what I'm saying? I did. You know what I'm saying? Say, AKCC, dad back here, AKA talking backwards, smoking 3 grand blunt, hit you with this 9 iron, get into this money, and then smoking this your boy Goldman. Smack. AKA, it's Mensch Montana. Yeah. I went from roaches in my cereal boxes to deers in my backyard. I'm doing okay. You know what I'm saying? AKA, what? It's the motherfucking, yo, listen, man. I went and I got my kids, you know what I'm saying? All the Lysol wipes that they had at BJ's, you know what I'm saying? And I wipe them down every day before they go to school. I wipe down the inside of the bus and the outside of the bus, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a motherfucking dad of the year, you know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Biombo, AKA Diego Maradona, AKA Digging Your Baby Tomo, you know, come with this pussy no more, this pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not. I'm sorry, my queen. It belongs to you, and I respect your agency, and I request entry, please. Thank you.
Respect.
AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and clash a zip car. Who cares? It was a Honda Fit. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Daddy, AKA I'm gonna sweat my card again. There's definitely money on it. Stop trying to play me before I call your manager up here that DVRs the show and embarrass you. Don't worry about how smacked I am, dog. Just put all the candy in the bag. It's for Halloween, I promise. And keep it moving. Okay?
Keep it moving, bro.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. Let me find out. Yo, we doing private shows at United Palace, yo, underground. You know what I'm saying? Bring your titi, I'm gonna eat her butt. You know what I'm saying? AKA Light No Touchy. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see in your eyes that you've been coronafied.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? So we can't swipe, sorry. You know what I'm saying? That's a great... Yo, anybody's been greedy with L's, this is a great time for you. You know what I'm saying? Because every blunt is a personal blunt. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? AKA Top Bridges, you got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? AKA Field Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, my consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out our live, been social distancing before that Rona. AKA Final Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Xavier Bitterfield. You gotta get some sticks. You gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
What?
To smoke with me.
Where at?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? AKA Awesome. My hands are gifted. I'm the most vaunted neurosurgeon you've ever seen in your life. Have you ever in your life put together a child's sternum using only a lighter that is devoid of lighter fluid and 2 Kimtech wipes? You haven't. I have. Pay homage. Can't get the strap. Oh, AKA I'll open your motherfucking medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 25 minutes got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down for sanitizing shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA live harassing patrons eating al fresco. It's the E-Stream on CVB doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your feet fucking and don't take love, don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met my first sister, I'm never gonna fail. AKA he was getting those bubble buckets, but he's back home now, getting into it in 2K. It's Barmelos Anthony. 3 bang. Virtual. If you see me at Target higher than a motherfucking Fortnite ramp built by a kid with ADHD, approach me like an earthside mammal because I may react erratically and you are not social distancing and your mask is around your neck. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breakers, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm free balling ever since quarantine. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, hello, it's Bento the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's late, even though it's a Zoom. Whoa, and I'll have my Mr. Fun hold down the fort here while I go in the van and do some things that I gotta do.
Hey kids. Listen, we're trying to do a Zoom, but like I can't log in. It's asking for a password. So if you want to like tell me like the password for your parents' ADT or like the Sloman Shield. Like,
whoa, hey, they have Vivid. Let's get back in the van. Let's go, guys.
Hey kids, I got a different Ring camera for you if you don't.
Whoa, hey. Let's get to the van. Let's go. Bye, guys.
It's a Prince Albert,
bro. Yo, AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, dog. He is high off of bong water that I found in the corner of the basement when I was cleaning to set up camera shit and angles for the show. Like, I don't know. I just opened and the smell just hit me in the face. But listen, Lil Lil is gonna have some tracks for you coming soon. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? And now it's time for Hasan. Tírame la fucking pita, coño. Oye, que lo que guau. Llegó Luis Tito y FIFA, coño, más loco todo. No me dejo todo que el palo que tiene Tito, coño, te tumba el coco de 2 kilómetros. No me hable mucho para no darte de un bucazo. Es que lo que somos tigres callejeros bajando con la pista dura y más pena que 30 salones. No te pases de las rayas. Shout out a la casa Showtime. Shout out Kasha. Shout out Hasan, ese que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Desus, bueno, la caja máquina. Shout out Víctor Marte. El papi de la lady. Shout out la nena de bodega, Dai, la más dura, la planta, la insuperable. Shout out Vicky, la más loca, tu piecito de miel. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa, tipo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Llegó mi hermanito Freaky. You know what I'm saying? Que descansen en paz todos las víctimas de brutalidad policial y de maltrato a las manos de la gente que está supuesto a proteger. Arresten los asesinos de Breonna Taylor inmediatamente. Quédate en la casa, lávate tu mano, que la corona está activa, ¿ok? No hookah until 2021. You heard it first. Thank you. This has been episode 217.
That's right. You know, the most dangerous podcast in the world. Shout out to Showtime. Shout out to Cash App. Yo, justice for Breonna Taylor. Justice for Jacob Blake. Yo, rest in peace to the homie Chadwick Boseman. Yo, Die for the Hive. Shout out to Bodega Hive. Keep watching your fans. Remember what I said about coronavirus? It's raw sex. Yo,
yeah.
Listen.
It's out there. It's still out there.
Think about it. Don't
sleep.
Get caught. Don't get caught out there. Don't get caught slipping. Because listen, it's not 18 years. You just lose a lung. You don't want that, bro. All right? And Joe, enjoy. It's a 3-day weekend. Enjoy the booking. No, avoid the bookings.
Avoid the bookings, B. Because Labor Day.
It's Labor Day, bro.
We'll be in there.
It's Labor Day, bro.
Okay.
And last but not least, Trump 2020, motherfucker. We get it. We out.
Holla. Chad forever.